Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. My name's Diamond. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching this video. Today I have for you, I'm going to be doing two videos, so after you watch this one, you can watch my other one. The first one I'm going to do is my Look Fantastic for December. I just got these in the mail. They just were delivered. This one was supposed to be here between the 8th and 12th, so it's a little bit late, but with all of the packages being delivered this month, you know, it's to be expected. I mean, everybody's online shopping, so I wasn't too upset. I just was checking that tracking link a lot. But the box is so cute this month. There you go. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So Look Fantastic is, I'm not sure. I think they're from Canada. Yeah. And they send it to you. It's, I believe, $18 a month. And you get like 5 or 6 things. I should really read about it first, but I always forget. But anyway, it comes with this little booklet. And I was under the impression that we got full-size products in here, but I've got it for 3 months and it's just been little ones. And I think maybe one full size each time. So this is going to be my last month. I'm not really feeling it. So, just to let you know, I won't be doing this one anymore. But when you open it up, it's always packaged really cute. And let's get started. Okay. Oh, it's really cute. The little things in it are golden. All right, so it looks like there's 6 products this month. The first thing I'm pulling out is from Avant, and I just got this in my my BoxyCharm Premium, but it's the Pro Radiance. Oh no, I didn't. It's that eye cream. Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. There it is. Let's see what it says. Oh, it just tells you how to use it. It doesn't tell you much about it. But that's what the booklet's for, to tell you about the products. So let's see. Fight signs of aging with this luxurious Avant eye cream infused with hyaluronic acid and seawater to deliver long-lasting moisture and combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and eye bags for an overall youthful glow. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try this. I tried their moisturizer that I got from BoxyCharm and I love it. It smells so good. Okay, so the next thing in here is from Ren Clean Skincare, Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Energizing Lotion. Okay, I've never heard of anything like that. A light, fresh, and easily absorbed hand and body lotion that energizes and revives tired skin. Atlantic Kelp Extract and Magnesium PCA replenish skin with essential minerals while aiding to restore suppleness and moisturization to help soothe irritation. Wow, I really wish I could read. But there it is. It's not a bad size, like if you're going to use it as a hand cream. If you're going to use it all over your body, you know, you're not going to get too much use out of this. Or too many uses, I should say. Okay, next in here, from Sukin Australian Natural Sensitive. Oh, that's just, like I said, if I could just read. Pink Clay Facial Mask. So there we go. And this one, I'll have to look in the booklet. Okay, it's formulated with a blend of pink and red clays that work together to extract impurities to leave your skin looking radiant and clear. Okay, so that's not a bad size. You get a few uses out of this. It's not completely full, but I mean, sometimes some people like get upset about that, but you know, it's a sample, so you're not, you know, you're just getting it to try out. So I'm not upset about that. Okay, something in here, it looks like a full size. I mean, it is a full size, I would say. So we have a double-ended brush. And this is an eye brush. This innovative dual-ended design features both an eyeshadow shader brush and an eyeliner brush in one. The shading brush packs on pigment and shadows onto the lid, whilst the eyeliner brush gives even and precise liner application. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, that's really cute. So there's the eyeshadow part and the eyeliner. So that doesn't look too bad. I'm excited to get a full-size product. And the last thing in here is by Jekka Black. I think it's Jekka. Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face in the shade Champagne. Okay, so that's not a bad size for like a highlighter. Alright, it says, add some much needed sparkle this festive season with your Glow Drops in a beautiful champagne shade that flatters a range in skin tones. Let's take the safety seal off. I love when there's safety seals. I feel like it's, you know, safe to use. Do a little swatch. Yeah, this is completely full, I would say. Yeah, very much so. Okay, so a little goes a long, long way. I put way too much on my hand. So it says flatters a range of skin tones. Unfortunately, I mean, I could use this in my foundation, but I think that's going to be a little too dark for me. You can see that line right there. But it's very, oh, there we go. It's very reflective and pretty. Okay, so that's all we got. Let me know what you think about this box. Like I said, I'm just gonna cancel because, I mean, it's not a bad box, don't get me wrong. It's just I would like to spend my money on, you know, different things, you know, different boxes for my channel. And I haven't been, the last few months, I didn't even do a video last month because it just, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling too good, and you didn't miss much. I'll just say that. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll decide to subscribe or leave me a comment and like this video if you don't want to. I mean, I'm not going to pressure you into it. But thanks for being here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!